Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to integrate your ConvertKit API key with GetResponse. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. And if you already have an account, just log in and follow along. First, you'll need a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with GetResponse. Head over to your Zapier dashboard, click Create, and select Zaps. If you need help at any step, Zapier's Copilot will guide you. Next, select both ConvertKit and GetResponse from the app list. On the right side of your screen, you'll be asked to connect your ConvertKit account. Click Sign In, and when prompted for your API key, open ConvertKit in a new tab. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Developer Settings. Here, you'll find your API secret key. Copy it, return to Zapier, and paste it into the required field. Click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now, repeat the same process to log in to your GetResponse account. Once both accounts are connected, configure your automation settings. Finally, click Publish Zap, and your integration is complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.